Hey adrenaline seekers, welcome to XPolice, where the sirens scream, the engines roar, and every second is a pulse-pounding ride. From high-speed chases to jaw-dropping maneuvers, this is your front row seat to the most thrilling police pursuits caught on Dashcam. Buckle up and let's go! On Tuesday morning, August 23, 2022, in Gainesville, Florida, a stolen box truck became the center of a dramatic high-speed chase spanning multiple counties. Brandon J. Baker, 34 years old, had not only stolen the truck from the Tampa area, but was also involved in an armed carjacking earlier that day. The truck sped northbound in the southbound lanes of I-75, crashing into several vehicles and narrowly avoiding disaster. Could the police bring this dangerous pursuit to an end before it spirals out of control?
Reserve back in the right lane of travel. Acceleration point. Right behind you.
We are going through the Metro 9 Plaza, through Metro 9 Plaza. And then on 34, keep long. Everybody hold the traffic for a second, keep calling. We're through the parking lot, we're about to come out at 34th Street. Attention team, again, coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound 34th.
The chase ended when Baker jumped out of the moving truck and attempted to flee on foot. However, he was quickly subdued by Florida Highway Patrol troopers and Alachua County Sheriff's deputies. Baker now faces multiple serious charges, including armed robbery, aggravated assault on law enforcement officers, reckless driving, and hit and run. Under Florida law, these charges could result in up to 30 years or more in prison. If you think jumping out of a truck and running on foot will save you, remember, police are always faster than you, especially when they have patrol cars and helicopters. In Greenland, Arkansas state troopers, renowned for their no-nonsense approach to pursuits, quickly engaged when the Ford F-150 was spotted weaving dangerously through traffic at speeds exceeding 80 miles per hour.
Back up to 71. Pull it down.
We're going to go stay up there.
Traffic's medium the line, northbound 71.
As the truck attempted to evade capture and endangered other motorists, a trooper executed a precise pit maneuver, forcing the truck into a sideways roll and flipping it multiple times on the road. The aftermath of the flip included a broken axle and a rear passenger wheel violently dislodged from the truck. Fortunately, officers prevented the vehicle from veering into oncoming traffic, averting a potentially catastrophic situation. While the exact motive behind the suspect's flight remains unclear, serious charges such as fleeing law enforcement and reckless driving are likely to follow. If you think you can outrun Arkansas state troopers, remember, they're not only fast but also relentless, and they always win. Dallas, July 25th, 2024, 1:20 p.m. a flock scanner pinged a stolen red GMC at a Golf Lakes Trail apartment complex. 4 suspects inside. Undercover cops called for backup. Marked units swarmed, ready to box him in. But 21-year-old Damon Price wasn't going down easy. He slammed the gas, sending the GMC onto the hood of a squad car, then crashed into another. Chaos erupted.
Shit! God damn it! You good? Get up!
The truck stalled, suspects scattered. Price and another ran. Then, 17-year-old Eric Lampkin Scarborough bailed out, packing a modified handgun. Officer Travis Marks deemed him a deadly threat and opened fire. Lampkin Scarborough went down, but even wounded, he kept running before cops cuffed him and rendered aid.
He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
Black male.
Don't you fucking move! Get on the ground now! One at gunpoint, west southwest corner. He's on a white shirt, but get on the fucking ground, face down! Don't you fucking move! You fucking hit.
Price, complaining of chest pain, was nabbed nearby. The real shocker? 19-year-old Deontay Moore, caught near the truck, was linked to a double homicide from March. One suspect got away, still at large. Now they're facing the music. Price for assault, vehicle theft, evading. Lampkin Scarborough for fleeing with a weapon. Moore? Capital murder. Texas justice is swift and harsh. Death penalty or life without parole hangs over Moore's head, and Price could spend decades behind bars. On June 1st, 2024 at 12:14 p.m., a Florida Highway Patrol trooper initiated a traffic stop on a silver 2018 Dodge Charger traveling on I-75 near Pine Ridge Road. The vehicle was stopped due to an illegally tinted windshield. The driver, identified as Carlos Alberto Castellanos, initially cooperated, providing his driver's license and registration. However, the strong odor of marijuana emanating from the car raised the trooper's suspicion. When asked to step out of the vehicle, Castellanos became uncooperative. The chase ended when FHP troopers Rodriguez and another officer successfully executed multiple PT maneuvers, causing Castellanos to lose control and the vehicle to come to a stop. A search of the vehicle's trunk uncovered a backpack containing drug paraphernalia, vacuum-sealed marijuana, fentanyl, and packaging materials indicative of drug distribution. As a result, Carlos Alberto Castellanos was arrested and charged with probation violation, fleeing to elude law enforcement, child endangerment, and multiple drug-related felony charges. He was denied bond and remanded into custody. He now faces significant prison time if convicted. December 17, 2023. Riviera Beach, Florida. Routine patrol, but hold up. Exiting a racetrack on Blue Heron, I hear the roar of a souped-up Charger. 2 Chargers at the light, but this light gray one. Holy smokes. Exhibition of speed, blowing past another car like it was standing still. Then it was on. This guy, Jalen Camarena Davis, was a menace. Speeding, red lights, wrong way, risking everyone in Palm Beach Gardens. Could we stop this maniac before someone got hurt? Military trail southbound. Time for the Piet. Precision immobilization technique. Textbook. The Charger swerved, crashed into bushes and signs. Davis bailed, sprinting through backyards. But Officer Sanchez, Palm Beach Gardens PD, was on him. Caught him hiding in the bushes, sweating. Davis owned up to the Charger and the keys. He also copped to burglarizing private property while on the run. Now he's got a list. Burglary, fleeing at insane speeds, hit and run, no license, suspended license, reckless driving. Florida's gonna throw the book at him for this. Running and hiding gets you nowhere. Law enforcement, they never give up. Indian River County, Florida, October 4th, 2023. Jupiter Police Department alerted deputies about a stabbing suspect fleeing north on Interstate 95. Nicholas David Parchesco, 28, was tracked by license plate reader cameras and spotted by Hawk helicopter as he entered Indian River County.
Bridge. We're going to have suspects ready on the other side, up in 995.
Yeah, 10-4, we'll try to keep you updated. We're trying to keep up with him. He's going pretty fast. Lane, outside lane now, continued past the bridge. He's still northbound on I-95. Bridge. He's still northbound on I-95. 158 northbound I-95.
I'm getting ahead.
Trying to cut into the median. He's going to get stuck. He's in the water. He made it. Might make it through, guys, if he can cut across.
Deputies boxed him in using coordinated tactics. Parchesco was taken into custody without further incident. He faces charges including attempted murder and fleeing law enforcement, with a $100,000 bond. Details about the victim remain undisclosed. Parchesco thought he could outrun the law, but learned the hard way that he couldn't. On the evening of August 10, 2024, at approximately 7:30 p.m., FHP troopers identified a stolen Toyota SUV near Alton Road and 56th Street in Miami Beach. The vehicle's owner, Glenda DeFoss, reported that the suspect, 46-year-old Savalas Cigar, approached her while she was parking and asked for money. When she refused, Cigar allegedly threatened her with a hammer before stealing the SUV. FHP troopers attempted to stop the vehicle using a pit maneuver at Alton Road and West 42nd Street. Although the SUV temporarily regained control.
What is that? 189? I think that's 79.
Police and driving without a license. His bond was set at $11,000 and he remains detained at the Turner Guilford Knight Correctional Center. August 7th, 2021, 6:54 p.m., Tallahassee, Florida. Radio blaring. White Toyota Corolla, Georgia plates, fleeing Leon County, stolen vehicle linked to armed robbery earlier today. An FHP trooper heard that call and knew he had to jump in. The Corolla was spotted hauling ass down West Tennessee Street, way over the 45-mile-per-hour limit. 82 miles per hour on the trooper's radar, weaving through traffic like a maniac, almost taking out other drivers. Ran a red light, turned left onto Park Avenue. Lights and sirens ignored. This driver was a menace, endangering everyone on Park Avenue as he blasted eastbound. Turned into a full-blown circus. This Corolla wasn't stopping for anything. Red lights meant nothing. Wrong lane, didn't care. But teamwork wins. Coordinated effort by all units.
out, bail out.
Finally, a perfect pit maneuver. Ran then off, fleeing law enforcement at insane speeds. This driver On the afternoon of May 23, 2023, in Pensacola, Florida, a black Hyundai Genesis became the center of a dramatic high-speed chase. FHP troopers initiated a traffic stop after observing the driver speeding and tailgating in rainy conditions. However, instead of complying, the driver accelerated and fled southbound on Palafox Street, endangering other vehicles on the road. The chase ended at the intersection of Beverly Parkway and North W Street after a trooper executed a pit maneuver to disable the vehicle. The driver, Antonio White, attempted to flee on foot with a firearm in hand but was quickly subdued by officers. The firearm was recovered and White was taken to the hospital for medical evaluation before being transferred to the Escambia County Jail. White now faces multiple serious charges, including fleeing law enforcement, reckless driving, illegal possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, driving without a license, and resisting arrest. Under Florida law, these offenses could result in up to 20 years or more in prison.